All right, gentlemen, you can start the before engine start checklist.
Okay.
Cam door.
Closed.
Control logs removed.
Yes.
Parking brake set.
Parking brake is set.
Landing gear handle down.
Landing gear handle down condition.
Power levels idle.
We're working on that. Where are the power levels at? No, they are idle.
Okay. Propeller controls full forward.
That's good until we get them started.
Okay.
Condition levers cut off.
Condition levers are set to cut off.
All switches off.
All switches off. Condition.
Circuit breakers in.
Circuit breakers are in.
Battery switch on.
Battery switch is coming on. Battery is on.
Voltmeter press to test. Check
Press
24.
Checking for 24. 30 and 28.
Left and right fuel firewall valves.
Firewall
Under red
valves.
guarded switch covers.
Mhm.
Cycle to open.
Okay, they are set.
Alright. Left and right fuel boost pumps on.
Left and right fuel boost pump is coming on. Where's left side? Right side. Boost pumps on.
Right. Inverter switch on.
Inverter switch, Dennis. We're on 1 now. It was 2 before.
That's correct.
Okay. Inverter's on.
Annunciator panel and warning lights check. Press to test.
Annunciator is good.
Okay, you guys know that the reverser not ready is because of the level.
No oil. Oh, is it? I thought it was oil pressure.
No.
Interesting. Okay, I noticed that when John was going through. I thought it was just oil pressure.
Okay.
But okay.
We should understand everything on that annunciator panel when we do a check. It's not just checking that the light bulbs work.
Okay.
All right.
Fuel quantity check.
Fuel quantity, we're pulling out of the 61-gallon tank, Dennis?
Yep.
All right, we have sufficient fuel.
Exterior position lighting on. Beacon and nav.
Nav and beacon on.
Alright, now we're to the engine firing.
Okay, we
We
don't
skip
have
that
one of
section.
those.
Okay.
Where there's no engine.
Okay, I'm going to walk him through this.
Okay.
And every time you start an engine, you should be prepared here because it's going to go faster than what you can read.
Right.
So the first thing he's going to do is push up on the ignition and engine start switch for the right engine. And tell me what you're looking for, Ethan, before you turn fuel on.
There are 3 things. You want to first make sure your ITT drops below 1,000. You want prop rotation above 20 or at 20. You're looking for oil pressure in here. And actually the prop rotation's right there.
Good, so you need all of them before you turn fuel on. You turn fuel on, then you watch your EGT. And it's going to come up. Keep watching it until it goes down a little bit. Then you look down and make sure that you got your 50% core engine speed before you shut your switch off.
Okay.
All right?
All right.
Matt, tell Pete that we're going to start number 2.
Alright, you got the thumbs up.
All right, number 2 is starting.
Oil pressure.
Okay, oil pressure, check.
Prop rotation.
20%. There's prop rotation waiting on the temperature to come down. 1500, 1211.
Close enough.
There's 1,000. Fuel's coming on. Sorry.
Good. Keep watching EGT.
Okay. Okay, EGT is stabilized. You're back down below 50. I can let go of the starter.
Yep. You gotta turn it off.
Starter's disengaged. So, curious, so that,
Just keep watching so everything stabilizes.
okay.
Okay. Question?
2 actually. Can I try and work with this a little bit to bring it into?
I'll do that. What's
Okay.
the other question?
Next question. The difference is low and high idle here. So when I went too far forward, that was to high idle as compared to low idle?
That's correct. We
Okay.
did an over temp on starting.
Gotcha.
We put it to high idle when we start flying.
Gotcha. Okay.
So you can start reading now on number 5, I believe.
Okay. Right engine, adjust N1 with power level to 10% above idle, which equates to 55% N1 RPM.
Okay, and we're just about there.
Right generator switch.
Right generator switch is engaged.
Right engine oil pressure check.
Oil pressure at 60, just above. Okay. While we're waiting on that, can we throw the blower on, Dennis?
Yeah, go ahead.
Right, tell Ethan that you're going to start with 1. And Ethan, you're going to go through exactly what you did before.
Okay. All right. Engine 1 starting. Okay, rotation there. Prop spinning. Oil pressure check. Waiting for that to drop below 1,000. There's 1,000. All right.
Okay, prop this out of feather, and you can go ahead and start waiting, I believe, on number 12.
Okay, left generator switch on.
Left generator's on.
Right and left engine oil pressure and fuel pressure check.
Oil pressure, good. Fuel pressure, also in the green.
Right engine power level reduced to idle.
Both at idle.
Fuel crossfeeds auto.
Fuel crossfeed set to auto.
That's it.
All right.
I'll take that. Right, both of you should be in a position where you can apply brakes.
Okay.
Steer the airplane.
Copy.
How's this going forward?
Really gotta pull up on that lever on the right.
Not happening?
No.
Go ahead.
There you go.
That's better. Okay, we should have done him to disconnect then.
Yep.
Sir. Ethan, as soon as you get a thumbs up, you're gonna undo the working brake, let it roll again,
Copy.
and see how the brakes feel.
Sounds good.
Ethan, I want you to do one more thing.
Sure.
While your right knee is fuel control key, those
Fuel control heater. These guys here, left and right. Cycling on. And that's the
This is the power for the environmental can,
okay. So we don't pool that fuel.
so we pump it back into the tank.
Gotcha.
Right, did he give you a thumbs up, man?
He's pulling chocks right now.
Good.
Okay.
Your airplane.
All right. Parking brake's coming off. We're rolling. Okay, brake check. Want to try yours, Matt? Make sure your brakes. Good. All right, we are away. These are weighty rudder pedals. Right side looking good?
Yep, you're clear.
Fantastic. Start my turn in here pretty soon. What's that?
Weedy rudder
No,
pedal.
weighty, as in they're heavier than I'm used to. Just keep an eye on the 150 for me, Matt.
Yep.
Trying to cut my angle in good so I just come right over the nose.
And you're clear here.
Sweet. Going back to that center line.
Same thing that we did before with reversers already.
Copy that. Somebody just jumped in. The doors were open a second ago. Yeah. Alright, going into reverse. Ready?
Ready?
Back to flight idle. Or ground idle. Doing a great job in marshalling. I know exactly where I'm going.
He's used to the Delta pilots.
Where they just pull up and park.
Where they want anyway.
Yeah.
They don't listen to anyone.
It's alright. I'm just going to line up my leading edge with the power cart.
Yep. Can you see it?
Yes, I can.
Should be good there. Stops.
Set your parking brakes.
Parking brake set.
Shocks in. Back power.
Hey, Space Cadet.
He's really used to the Delta way.
He doesn't go outside though.
Okay, you can start doing the checklist right up to shutting down the engine.
Okay.
Sub panel switches and avionics switch off.
Sub panel and avionics are off.
Environmental switches and controls off.
Okay, environmental off.
Overhead panel switches off.
They are off.
Inverter off.
Inverters coming off.
ITT needs to stabilize 610 for 1 minute.
Okay. We're at about 590 now.
So we're holding off here at propeller's filler.
Mm-hmm.
Until he gives us a thumbs up, then we've been below for a minute already.
Okay.
That's par for Delta taking hand signals from the guy in the first class seat.
You're not wrong.
He said no go yet.
Copy.
I think he's struggling with the heat.
Can we turn the blower back
The
on?
right engine off.
Right engine off.
Yep.
Number 2.
No. Do the feathering of the propeller first and then.
Right. No, I was just making sure the right engine's turning off. Right engine's turning off.
Propeller. Fuel cross feeds off. Are we doing the cross feeds off yet?
No, hang on.
Is that so he can get the ground power plugged in a little easier? I give him credit. If you stay under there for about more than 30 seconds, it becomes significantly more difficult. It's very much you either get it done the first time or you don't.
The clock hits me every time.
Same. Did we?
Yep.
Good. Okay.
So we can do the other propeller, I assume.
Yeah. Okay.
Propeller, condition number cut off.
All right, engine number 1 is shutting down.
You two notice where the hooks are for the low idle,
Yes.
and when you start the engines, go ahead and just get them there and know where they are.
Not what I did.
Right.
Okay, fuel cross feed off.
Fuel cross feed is off.
Boost pumps off.
Boost pump selecting off.
Fuel control
And
heat off.
Fuel control heat off.
Beacon and nav lights off.
Beacon and nav off.
Battery and generator off.
Battery and generators off.
We're keeping parking brake on.
Correct.
Yep, we're good.
Is that everything?
Yep.
Fantastic.
Good job.
It's hecking warm in here, man.
I'm sweating balls.
Oh, it's like a sauna that you didn't ask for. That was fun. Thank you for flying Miles Ground Lines, where we take you from one spot in the airport to the same spot and waste about 10 minutes of your time. Oh my God, it feels so nice. Oh, it's so nice.